Welcome to the LSTM adventure. We use long, short-term...
RNNs can recognize images. But how can AI remember information from the past?
To solve this problem, scientists created LSTM, a network that remembers important information.
Unlike CNNs, LSTMs process information step by step in a sequence.
The memory cell stores important information for future use.
The forget gate decides what information should be removed.
The input gate decides what new information should be stored. The cell state updates its memory using new and useful information.
The output gate decides what information should be sent to the next step.
LSTM remembers previous words to understand sentence meaning.
Using memory, LSTM predicts the next word in a sequence. LSTMs are used in speech recognition, translation, chatbots, and stock prediction.
An LSTM cell contains a forget gate, input gate, cell state, and output gate.
LSTMs help AI remember the past and make smarter decisions about the future.